What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rahel and I have a new video for you. Today's video will be about me trying out the Glamnetic lashes. I am sick and tired of glue fake lashes. I literally started using them like 2 seconds ago, but I'm just over it. I want lashes. Like, I have 3 lashes per eye and I'm just like But then also I don't want to go and get them professional lashes, the lash extensions, because they rip out all your 3 lashes. The struggle of finding the right lash for you is actually ridiculous. But I started to use more lashes, like the glued lashes. I went to CVS and just got some lashes, which I've been using to just have lashes, right? Honestly, I'm bugging. My lashes aren't even that bad. It's definitely more than 3, but it's not enough for me. How about it? I need like, no, not that crazy, but definitely more than what I have. And I really like them because they do look really natural and cute and whatever. But what I absolutely hate is to use glue. Like, I don't know, it's just something about the adhesive and me not wanting to wait for it to like literally dry that just interferes with me having great lashes. Long story short, here we are. I got finessed by these advertisements that pop up on my Instagram. I just saw Glamnetic everywhere and it's actually so sad that I bought them because it's exactly what they want me to do, but I needed them because it was like, hey, if there's a way to put lashes on without using glue, I should try. I should just see what's good. They are a little bit more expensive than regular glue lashes. I think this pack of like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lashes were like $12 or $13 and the glue was another $6, $18, $20, $21 with tax for a set of 5 lashes and the glue. Whereas I went ahead and looked on Glamnetic. I just thought that the value kit would make more sense because that will mean that you get the liquid magnetic eyeliner with 3 lashes, different one in a set. What I thought was cool is that they have lashes based on your eye shape, which I thought was really cool, and length and like vibe. There was different ones such as Almond Glam. I have almond eyes, I would assume, and they had almond natural, they had almond glam, and I went ahead and got almond glam. I found that like the thick lashes, just like the ones that everyone is wearing, like the bold ones, are so hard to put on with glue. So I thought I wanted to see how easy or how hard it will be to get them on with the Glamnetic magnetic eyeliner. So I'm excited because if that's the new move, girl, if this is easy and if it's fast, girl, I'll be like, what's good? Like, this is going to be me. Okay, so let's see what's up. Let's see. So it's 3 lashes that I got and the magnetic eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, and I think they were in total $110, which definitely is an investment because I don't know, like, to pay $110 for lashes for 3 pair, it's a lot. You can reuse them 40 times, up to 40 times. If that is true, that'll be good. And they do say that because there's no use of like glue, the lashes won't like get messed up, and that is also why you can reuse them so much, because there's no glue to mess them up. I don't like that glue. Makes me, like, just to think about it makes me sick. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It would help me a lot, and it would also help you because I'm here to create content around fashion, curvy fashion, makeup, skincare, and some home decor. And I'm sure that you'll be interested, okay? Just click that button. Just be part of this fun, you know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and pick one. I'm going to a birthday party in like literally 30 minutes. Oh my god, like, I'm not even exaggerating, literally 30 minutes. This needs to work. It says that you have to shake before use, glide brush tip along to upper lash line only, making an even line as thick as the lash magnets. For optimal results, apply Glamnetic Lashes onto liner. Do not use liner on waterline or lower lash line. So we're just going to get one straight line, and then we're gonna slap that lash on, apparently. Honestly, I'm not even that bold. What? These lashes are wild. I literally went for full glam for no reason. This is my makeup right now. Like, I'm wearing the makeup that I always use, like very natural. And now here I am trying to slap on freaking glam lashes like this. Will that look weird? Ah, no. Basically, there is magnets on the lash, and then those magnets will stick to the liner. It says to apply the magnets when the eyeliner is dry, like about 80%. And I'm not sure which one to use though. Let's just go ahead and try that. Let's try it out. I decided to go with BRAT. I'm not a BRAT, but I'm deciding to go with BRAT because I don't know, it just looks really nice. These ones are so freaking long. This is so not me, but I'm just here for, I'm here for it. I'm here for the scam, honestly.
Snapchat filter on.
What do y'all think? Ooh, this is gonna be, oh, cute. Yeah, that's the one. I'm gonna go ahead and put that liquid magnet eyeliner on. Listen, I'm just excited. I just hope that it works because I'm tired of this glue. I don't want to do it no more. I hate it so much. Like, I don't know, it just doesn't work for me. Do you know what I mean? Here is the eyeliner. It's like a pencil eyeliner. Let's just go ahead. Oh, it didn't even come out so ugly. Oh, okay, this actually came out real cute. Look at that eyeliner. Who that? Who that? Okay. We're waiting for it to dry a little bit, and then I will pop on the lash. I'm so excited. Oh my god, if this works, sis, over. Okay, I feel like it is dry. Or dry enough, maybe? Maybe not? Okay, let's see. Oh my god, okay. Wait. Hold on. Nah, you're lying. That's it? Wait, what? This took literally like 2 seconds. I'm trying to move a little bit with it. Okay, hold on. It definitely moved a little bit just now. Let me put some more. Let me apply more of the eyeliner. Let's try this again, just in case. Let's try this again. But that was great. Okay, hopefully this stays on. And we are in. And that's on period. Wait, what? That is actually crazy. That's actually insane. To be honest with you, this is a lot of lash. Like, this is a lot of lash. Like, I'm not used to so much lash. But I like it. I don't mind it. Do you mind it? Do you love it? The eyeliner definitely smells a little funky. It's weird to think that there's magnetic like properties in this eyeliner for it to, you know, work with the magnets on the lash. But I definitely checked first if this is like safe for your eye and whatnot. But obviously that's what they probably would say, because, you know, who would want to do that if it wasn't safe for your eye to put on eyelashes with magnets? Let me put the second one on just in case, and then we'll come back. Nah. This is a lot for me right now. This is just a lot in general. But I think this is so cute. Wait, what though? What? Yo, this took me like 2 seconds each. This is the new wave. Like, this is the new thing. I can't even, what? Literally all the issues that I have with lashes is the glue, like it to dry, and I never wait until it is actually dry enough to like stick on your freaking lash. And now to have a magnetic lash that like literally sticks to your eyeliner, and it's literally like the easiest and fastest process I've ever experienced putting on lashes. Like, you just literally put it on. Oh my god, honestly, truly, you guys, like, I am obsessed. I'm actually obsessed, and I'm obsessed with those lashes too. These are The ones that is called BRAT. I picked the value kit for an Almond Glam. This is beautiful. Let me actually wear this out and then come back maybe at night if I'm not like tipsy, because we're about to drink. We're about to have these drinks. Oh my god, I cannot believe I did this. Like, this is not like I'm shook. Let me come back and like just give you a little update on how they were just feeling on me and how I liked being out with them. I will see you either tomorrow or tonight, okay? Bye. All right, so I just wanted to come up here really quick because it's the day after me wearing the Glamnetic Lashes for the first time. I literally just woke up. Oh my god, we had such a fun night last night. Wow. The lashes were A1. They were not going nowhere. They were sticking right where I put them. I wasn't scared at all. I looked flawless. I looked so good with these lashes. I would look in the mirror and be like, oh my god, this is really me. I did that. I did that. I wore these. Let me show you. So they say that there's no, like, you know, glue doesn't stick on it since there's no glue used and whatnot. But I do want to say that the eyeliner low-key feels like glue. When I was trying to cleanse my face and cleanse my eyes, there was like some stuff, like the eyeliner was really on my eyelid and I had to rub it really hard. Yeah, it's low-key just glue eyeliner. With magnetic properties. It's definitely easier for you to put the lashes on with the magnets. They just literally stick to the eyeliner. It takes zero time. There's no mess when you want to stick it on with the glue, since there is no glue. But the eyeliner, to remove the eyeliner, it will take you a second. But I wouldn't even say this is like a pro. I'm obsessed. I'm actually obsessed with this. But I keep it posted how it goes if I change my mind, because I'm a woman. I'm allowed to change my mind. Y'all know that. Yeah, so I'm excited to go this path with them Glamnetics. Glamnetic, holla at me. You know what I'm saying? Like, if y'all wanna, you know, slide me some new lashes, I'm here for it. I already got 3, so, you know what I'm saying? Send me more. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like the content that I create. Ooh, child, I am so tired. But I really wanted to come up here and finish up the review. I didn't even have coffee yet. No coffee, no breakfast, nothing. So I'm gonna just do that there, okay? I'm gonna just go ahead and do that. So thank you for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye.